Hi there, welcome to my channel. Let's make a simple tofu dish today. Here I have 20 grams of dried shrimps, washed and soaked for about 15 minutes. If you don't have dried shrimps, you can also use garlic or shallots. Strain off any excess water. I'm using smooth or silken tofu. You can also use Japanese egg tofu. This tofu is very fragile, so gently press the top for it to come off nicely. Pour out any excess water. Bring the water to a boil, then steam the tofu on high heat for 5 minutes. While the tofu is steaming, let's fry the dried shrimps. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, use low to medium heat. Fry until golden brown, then transfer to a bowl so that it doesn't burn. Once the tofu is ready, pour the dried shrimp and oil over the tofu. Half a tablespoon of dark caramel sauce. You can also add oyster sauce if you like. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and garnish with some spring onions. It's that simple. Do try it and hope you like it.